Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we said yesterday, today we show how to do the trade on Alice Blue platform and mobile application. So now you can see, so today the market is on right now, so it's a live trading. So you can see the status changing, so red, green and all these things. So now we do a trade now. So today is market is good now, so market is up, and you can see it's 1% up, 1.5% up in the Nifty and 1.3% up in the Sensex. So these are the watch lists which is being added on Alice Blue mobile platform. So we just pick some stock, so which we trade now. So you just search for 19500 CE, and so today is the expiry day, so just and say done. So you can see this is the new stock which is added right now, and you can see the number of buyers, number of sellers, and so what is the open, high, low, and what is the close. And then if you just look at the chart, so you can zoom in, and then you can see what is the current status, what are the indicators showing, and so where is the moving average, and so whether it's green, red, and all these things. So and then you can check all the info and what expiry it is and all these things. So and then just coming back to this, so there are two options on the bottom, buy and sell. So if you just click on buy, so it shows as I explained yesterday, so it's BO, CO, AMO, market, limit, stop loss, MIS, and day trade, and it's a cash or day trade, normal. Okay, and then buy or sell. So right now if you look at the chart here, so with all the indicators on, it's looking bit risky right now, but definitely it's a buy. Let's say, so if we want to buy and you just want to set a limit, so just click on the limit and then set the price as 600. So now it's 591, so just click as 600, and so it's a MIS order, and then once you click on buy, so you can see, and then so if you look at your orders, so if you look at the pending order, so now the buy is executed, and then you can see that, so the current running status, so what is the status and all these things. So this is the trade which we executed just now, and then so you can see that it's running in the loss, it's 200, 123, it's coming up. And then so once you are done with it, you can just add more lot, and then you can either square off. So you can see that, so the trade is going into positive, so the trade which we took, it's looking like a good trade. So and then you can even convert to normal and all these things. Okay, and then you can just see what are the holding positions, and then what are the market movers, as explained yesterday, what are the trade completed, and all these things. Okay, thank you guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon.